This is a concluding session on what happens when you query with Google search. Your query keywords will be analyzed and transformed internally to something like this. This analysis process involved removing stop words, considering the synonyms, and correcting the spelling mistakes in case any. Here, each word is considered as a separate keyword and searched for, and finally, the search results are rendered. So, let me search with our search query. First thing I want you to note is I have given the spelling of market wrong, but it has corrected the spelling and now it is showing results for how to invest in stock market without any spelling mistakes. And internally it would have removed this how, to and in because those are considered as the stop words. If you want to know more on stop words, then you can go to this link. This is the link where I have found the list of stop words. So if you come below, see here, stop words collection 2014. So if you download this, I have downloaded it and kept. So if you open it and let me show you. For each language, here is one text document which has a list of all the stop words. So let me open for English and see this. Now if I search with how, see how is mentioned here. So there might be some changes in the stop words now, but this is one of the lists where you can find the stop words. Let us go back to our search results. One thing I want you to note here is I am searching with invest, but I am seeing investing, investment. So why this is happening? So these are called as the stem words. Stem words are something whose root is the main word. For us, investment and investing, the main root is invest. So the derived words from the main words are called as the stem words. So which all are words end with ment, ing, ion, tion. So these are called as the stem words. Those are also considered during your search result. See again here investing in stocks, investing in stocks. So these are basically the two things which I want you to understand.